Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to generate scatter chart in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. To generate scatter chart, it is necessary that we are having two variables which are on the continuous scale. So here, current salary of the employee and the beginning salary. So select both of them, go in Insert, activate the scatter chart. First one, and your scatter chart is ready. You can add chart elements from here. Axis title, horizontal, vertical, chart title, above chart, centered overlay, data labels, center, left, right, above, below, data callouts, error bars. Normally, we don't use error bars in scatter plot, grid lines, primary major, horizontal, vertical, primary minor horizontal, primary minor vertical, legend, right, top, left, bottom, trend line, linear, exponential, linear forecast, moving average. So you can select linear from here. Now the layout can also be changed from here. The colors can be selected from here. The chart style can be changed from here. Now you can and now you click on the plus sign to add any chart elements. Just tick mark it. These options are same as what we had discussed here. Style is same as uh, what we discussed here. Color. Then we are having funnel, salary begin. So if you want to filter the data, it can be done from here. Apply. Now double click on the chart. We get the options field, border. So we'll start with the first one, field, solid field. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field. Select any pattern. Automatic. Now let's talk about the border. Solid line, gradient line, automatic. Now click here, shadow. So you can select any one of them. Let's say we will go for the perspective this time. So there's a perspective, size of the shadow, transparency can be increased or decreased, blur, distance. This is related to shadow, glow. Normally, we don't use shadow and glow in the same chart, but for learning purpose, we will activate it. Size, transparency, soft edges, three format is available. Let's activate it. Now from here, we are having size of the chart. Height can be increased, width can be increased, properties. Keep these things as it is. Now go in text options, text field. So at present it's solid field. You can have gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field. So click on solid field, text outline, solid line, or no line. Now double click on this grid. So we don't require it, so make it no line and the grid has disappeared. Similarly, from here also you can no line. We don't have any grid now. Now double click on it. Plot area. So in this case, solid field, and we will take any other color. Let's take a lighter tone. It can be a gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field, automatic. We can give the borders, solid line, this borders for the plot area, gradient field, and automatic. Click here. Again, for plot area, we don't use shadow, glow, and soft edges and 3D format. If you require, you can activate it. Now double click on this. So we can format the x-axis. So we'll start with the field solid line, gradient field, picture or texture, pattern field, line, solid line, this line. Then shadow, glow, soft edges, and 3D format we don't use for formatting of x-axis or y-axis. Here you can change it, and you can have text at 90 degree, 270 degree, or keep it horizontal. Axis options. We can specify minimum, maximum, major, and minor. So this was all about how to plot a scatter chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.